Hey loves, I'm Adrian Justine and today I'm sharing a quick tutorial on this crown braid look on my transitioning hair, which you can definitely recreate on fully natural hair. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair and I'm adding a little of my favorite leave-in conditioner before I blow it out. It just adds moisture and helps me to detangle and also smells really good. So once I've blown out my hair, I just do a side part at the front that bends into a middle part going back, and then I'm going to start flat twisting away from my face. Secure the ends with a rubber band and repeat on the next side. So yes guys, I'm currently 19 months post relaxo, and as long as I can get my hair into a cute style, I'm in no rush to end my transition anytime soon. Also, I've been getting so many encouraging comments under my transitioning videos on YouTube and Instagram, and I want to say a huge thank you. It definitely motivates me and keeps me going for my 3-year goal. So next, I just cross the twist at the back and tuck them into the braid and secure it with a pin. Then to finish, I'm adding some gold braid cuffs to that flat twist, and this is the final result. I love this style. It's super quick and easy. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.